Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we go through the full solutions of the factorization questions from the previous lesson. We cover common factors, trinomials, grouping method. Watch until the end and make sure you understand each step. Now, let's do this expression. Step number 1, the golden rule, highest common factor. Always check for a common factor first. Both 3 and 48 can be divided by 3. When you divide them by 3, 3x squared divided by 3, it will give you a 1x squared. X squared. Then 48 divided by 3, it will give you 16. Don't forget to always to check a common factor. So in step 1, we take out common factor. We'll be left with x squared minus 16. Step number 2, we will use the difference of two squares. Look inside the brackets. X squared and 16 are both perfect squares with minus between them. Square root of x squared is equals to x, and square root of 16 is equals to 4. So here our final answer, it will be 3 open bracket open 2 brackets x 4 1 bracket takes positive sign, 1 bracket takes negative sign. Difference of two squared rule, if you remember in our previous video. Now let's move to the next question, the trinomial complex question. This is a complex trinomial because the number in front of x squared is not 1. It's not 1. We can use the group. We can use the group and split method. Because in our previous video I didn't explain this method, but you will know it too from this solution. Step number 1, multiply the first number. Multiply the first number and the last number. Two multiplied by negative 2 is negative 4. Is the first step. We get negative 4. Step 2. Find two numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to the middle number. We must find two numbers. When you multiply them, it will give you negative 4. But when you add them, it will give you 3. Those numbers are positive 4 and negative 1. When you multiply 4 with negative 1, you will get negative 4. Remember, negative multiplied by positive is negative, always negative. But when you add 4 plus negative 1, it's like 4 minus 1. You will get positive 3, the middle number. So, from this equation, equation, we will split the middle term 3x using these numbers. Those numbers, we will write it as 2x squared plus 4x negative x negative 2. Remember this one. It's similar to this. 4x minus x is equals to 3x. Now we're done with a splitting. We will use step number 4. We will factorize by grouping 2 by 2. We will group this and this and take out the common factor. When you take out the common factor from this group, you can the highest common factor is 2x. We will be left with x plus 2. Then when you take out common factor from this group, the highest common factor is negative 1. When you take out negative 1, inside we were left with x plus 2. From here, we will take out the bracket common factor. Bracket common factor is x plus 2. It's like a highest common factor from this expression. Now we take out x plus 2. Then we will be left with 2x, and here we will be left with minus 1. This is our final answer. Now let's move to final expression. When you see 4 terms, think grouping immediately. Step number 1, we will group the first 2 and last 2 like this. Step number 2, we will factorize each group. In the first group, the common factor is y. We will take out y and left with 1 minus x. In the second group, there is no common factor, so we will leave it as it is. Step number 3, we will use a sign swap trick. Wait. 1 minus x and x minus 1 are almost the same, but the sign are opposite. We will change the positive 1 to negative 1 to flip the sign. The sign in the second bracket, like this. You will understand that the sign are not the same. So here what we will do, we will take out a negative sign. We take out negative sign. When we take out negative sign, here it will change, it will be negative. And then in bracket, we will left with 1 minus x, because when you multiply negative 1 with 1, it will give you negative 1. And then when we multiply it with negative x, it will give you positive, because negative multiplied by negative is equals to positive. Now we have this equation. It's similar to y minus 1 minus x close minus 1 minus x. So we will take out the common bracket factors. When we take out common bracket factors 1 minus x, then we will be left with y and negative 1. This is our final answer. Thanks everyone. If you got those correct, good for you. If you struggle, go back and practice grouping and difference of squares. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Maths with Bongani. Thanks. Bye.